Hello student, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel English Knowledge Farmer. Today is a video is very interesting. It's the benefits of learning English. So as you know that some people say that there is a course of English but there is no benefits. So it's not mine that English have a lots of benefits. You don't know? I will tell you continue this video without wasting the time. Firstly, we have the contents in English benefits. First in introduction, second in access to global information, third is wider career opportunities, and last is easy to communicate. Firstly, introduction. English is one of the important language in the world today, and learning this language provide not only personal benefits but also professional benefits. There are several reasons why English is important as listed below. Career opportunities, access to global information, easy to communicate. What's mean that introduction of English see us that English is a most important language. It's an international language, as you know that. Everybody want to learn English because the everybody go to outside to abroad, so there is a usage of English in more ratio quantity. So English have three advantages. Here is written below: career opportunities, access to global information, and easy to communicate. Firstly, we are learning about why English is important, wider career opportunities. Wider career opportunities, it's mean that learning English is a great example of how one can open a wider career opportunities. By mastering English, a person can more easily communicate with people from various cultures and background, thereby enabling them to pursue career in various industries, but both domestically and internationally. If we firstly I understand you that if we speak English, if we communicate with another person, so it's mean that in English, so he think that he is related to a good personality, good family. So this is the main point of the English. Okay. Then we have second benefit of English is access to global information. Why English is important for global world? English is important for global world because somebody wants to go abroad, as you know that, and go Dubai, go Dubai, America. So there is a people who talk with you in English. So you have the idea to communicate with him. If we don't know about the English, so we can try. We can try it. Just so English is also important for global information, for uh, global communicate. If you are doing online business as well, so English is important here. Why? Because you find the client and couch the client with English with your unique words. So English, second point, is the most important for the English. And the third is easy to communicate. Why English is important for easy to communicate? If we talk with the American people and American any people, not American, so we are using simple word. If there is a simple person, we use simple words. If there is a personality good and higher above educated person, so we use unique word. As you know that there is a written ease of communication refers to the ability to exchange information, ideas, and thought effectively and easily. We can understand anybody easily in English, in English words, because every know about the English, and everybody have the how know about the English, that this is Ayan, and I am from there, I'm do this, my ability this, my habit this. There is a knowledge of have the somebody, but we can use English in our daily life. So we are fluent, we will fluent, and we can easily communicate with each other. Okay. And the last is um, By having good English skills, individuals can open door to new opportunities, explore to wider world, and build a strong relationship with people from various backgrounds. As you know that, if we talk about the English, if we just take an example of the English, that if we do online business, online work, so if we want to couch the client as well, after the couch the client, we are talking English in unique word. We get him love, we get him, uh we get him mind to us product. As you know that when we couch the client, we are able to we are able to take the thing which we need. Okay, take the thing which we need. What if we have, uh, if we have the one product and the client need two product, so we can have the mastermind, we can make our mind as a master. Why? English, if we have the English, we can make our mind as a mastermind. We can couch the client and sell him just one product. If he want to two product, he buys just one product from us. We are uh, continue and detail explain this product, and the client will be buy with us this product. Okay, this is a main example of that. If there is a person uh, who are interested in buying some one thing, and we have two thing and we want to sell two thing just one person, so we can sell easily in English. We can use unique word, we can use loving word, we can use good words which attract the client to buy. ठीक है ना? This is our topic completely. So there is some benefits of English. I hope you can understand my video, my topic, benefits of English, and why English is important. So I hope you can understand video. If you understand my video, like, subscribe, and share, and click the bell icon. So inshallah we will meet in new video. Allah Hafiz.